So we're going to start by base coating the tip. I've buffed the tip as well, just so everything sticks really nicely. If this is a natural nail, you will need to do that too. Then we are going to use Fay'd. Oh, I just love this product because it is so black. Look at that. One coat and we are black. Let's give it a cure. You only need one coat for this. Then we're going to glossy top coat. We're glossy top coating for quite a valid reason. Now, when you're glossy top coating, you're going to do chrome. I would put this in for 20 seconds. You don't have to fully cure it. You will have to cure it after. It does work if you fully cure it, but I kind of like it when it's like just under cured. Never do that with your chicken though. Chicken always needs to be cooked. So we're going to take a purple chrome and burnish that in to the top coat. So I'm picking some more up and burnishing that in. The more that you rub, the smoother it will be, because all those fine little particles will sit next to each other and become besties, and they need to sit, all those particles need to all be besties so it becomes really shiny. If you just swipe it on and be really like rough with it, you won't get a good application. Now what I'm doing now is I'm creating a bit of an ombre, so I'm tapping particles so we get an ombre. So we want full coverage at the tip, and then we're just going to tap, tap, tap to create a bit of an ombre. But then we're going to use the Vale. Now the Vale is a transparent black top coat, and I'm going to blend that down to enhance the ombre from the Vale colour to the chrome. So it's going to give you a gorgeous fade. So the Vale is a glossy top coat. Now we're going to put the original normal top coat. So it's a glossy top coat. No colour in it, look. It's nothing like the jelly top coats. The Vale is a jelly top coat. This one isn't. And we're going to blend those into each other. So we get that crystal clear colour at the bottom, and we can really see the chrome shining through. Shine bright like a diamond. And you get that gorgeous ombre. Then we're going to take a thick gel, and we are going to draw kind of like drippy shapes. There's no sort of rhyme or reason to this. We just literally do these little blobs, and we just you're going to put the blob on and then see how I bring it out so it goes thinner. Then I go back into the blob, and then I'm going to bring that out again and drag that product. But it needs to be quite embossed, so you'll do them one at a time. So you notice I'm curing after each part.
So you could do any kind of design with that, couldn't you?
Yeah. You could do loads of different things. I just love this 3D effect with the thick gel. So it's a thick viscosity, and I'm connecting those there and dragging it down. So we've got height and volume, and then we sort of taper off so it's nice and thin. And I did these on a client the other week, and she had green, and they looked amazing. And what I did was, as I faded green to like a silvery green to the tip, and oh my god, they looked absolutely gorgeous. They're on my Instagram if you want to take a look. But yeah, we want height and volume, so that's why it's important to cure between each sort of blobby drippy bit. You can add even more volume.
Word of the day is blob.
Blob. I can't stop saying blob. Blob it on, string it out, create a bit more height. So if you want more height, go over the top, and yeah, just add more. Depends how kind of high you want your little 3D alien nails. That's what we're going to call them. If an alien had nails, they would look like this. So now we're going to go over it with top coat. So it's important to cover all of the nail, making sure you go over the top of those nooks and crannies, get it all nice and smooth, because, well, not smooth, sorry, we definitely don't want it smooth, but we want the product to sit in those recesses a little bit, so it all becomes one, but you still have the height and the volume, which magnifies the chrome that's beneath it. And that's what gives this design such a cool effect. So you can see how those that 3D gel on top is creating like a magnification of the chrome. I just love it. So there you are, guys. Thanks for watching and enjoying our snow day videos. This is what happens when it snows. We still work. Lots of other people that have snow days actually stay at home and don't work. But no, we find a way to bring you content, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Everything that I've used will be listed below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ra, duck!